Hey there, folks. Let's talk dirt. Not the kind you sweep under the rug, but the good stuff, the foundation of life itself. We all love a beautiful garden or a bountiful harvest, right? Well, none of that's possible without healthy soil. It's the bedrock of plant life, providing essential nutrients, water, and support. Just like we need a balanced diet, plants crave a balanced soil profile. Think of it as their lifeline, their all-you-can-eat buffet. Neglect the soil and you neglect your plants. Now you might be thinking, my plants look fine, why mess with a good thing? Well, here's the catch: appearances can be deceiving. Just because your plants look healthy on the surface doesn't mean they're thriving beneath the surface. There could be hidden deficiencies, imbalances, or even toxicities lurking in your soil, silently sabotaging your green thumb's efforts. That's where soil testing comes in, folks. It's like giving your soil a full physical exam, revealing its hidden strengths and weaknesses. A soil test is like a window into a hidden world, providing valuable insights into your soil's composition, nutrient levels, pH balance, and even the activity of those microscopic heroes, the soil microbes. Think of it as preventative healthcare for your plants. By understanding what's going on beneath the surface, you can address potential problems before they even arise. No more guessing games, no more throwing fertilizer at a problem you don't fully understand. Soil testing empowers you to make informed decisions about your gardening and farming practices. Now let's talk about the good stuff, nutrients. These are the building blocks of plant life, essential for growth and development. We've all seen those bags of fertilizer with their NPK ratios, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These elements are crucial for plant health. These are the big players in plant nutrition, but they're not the whole story. There are other micronutrients like calcium, magnesium, and sulfur that also play vital roles. You see, it's not just about the quantity of nutrients in your soil, but their availability. Plants need to access these nutrients to thrive. Think of it like this. You might have a pantry full of food, but if it's locked up tight, you can't access it. The same goes for nutrients in the soil. That's where soil pH and microbial activity come in. They play a crucial role in making these nutrients available to plants. Soil pH, the measure of acidity or alkalinity, affects how easily plants can absorb those essential nutrients. A balanced pH is key. And those tiny microbes, they're like the chefs of the soil, breaking down organic matter and releasing nutrients in a plant-available form. They are indispensable for soil health. A good soil test will give you the full picture, revealing not just what's in your soil, but how easily your plants can actually use it. This is essential for optimal plant growth and health. Timing is everything when to test your soil. So, when's the best time to roll up your sleeves and get testing? Timing your soil tests can make a significant difference in the health and productivity of your garden. Well, folks, there are a few key moments in the growing season when a soil test can provide the most valuable insights. Understanding these moments can help you make informed decisions about your garden's needs. Early spring, before you even think about planting, is ideal. This is when your garden is just waking up from its winter slumber. It gives you a baseline reading of your soil's condition and allows you to make any necessary amendments before your plants start demanding those nutrients. This proactive approach can set the stage for a successful growing season. Late fall, after you've cleared the garden beds, is another great time. The growing season has ended, and it's a perfect moment to evaluate how your soil has changed. It gives you a chance to assess the impact of the growing season and make adjustments for the following year. This can help you plan for better soil health and fertility in the next cycle. And if you're dealing with a specific problem during the growing season, don't hesitate to test then too. Sometimes unexpected issues arise that need immediate attention. A mid-season test can help you pinpoint nutrient deficiencies or pH imbalances that might be stunting your plant's growth. Addressing these issues promptly can make a big difference in your garden's overall health and yield. Getting your hands dirty, a step-by-step guide to soil sampling. All right, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How to take a proper soil sample. First things first, grab a clean bucket and a soil probe or trowel. Now, head out to your garden or field and choose a representative area. Avoid any spots that are unusually wet, dry, or have been recently fertilized. The key here is to get a sample that reflects the overall condition of your soil. Using your soil probe or trowel, Dig down about 6 to 8 inches and collect a small core of soil. Place this core in your bucket. Repeat this process in several different spots within the area you're testing, aiming for at least 10 to 15 cores per sample. Once you've collected enough cores, mix them thoroughly in your bucket to create a composite sample. Tech-savvy sampling, using GPS for accuracy. Now, for you tech-savvy folks out there, here's a bonus tip. Consider using GPS technology to mark your sampling locations. Why? Well, it allows you to track your soil health over time with pinpoint accuracy. By testing the same spots year after year, you can monitor changes in nutrient levels, pH, and organic matter content, giving you a comprehensive understanding of your soil's long-term health. There are even apps and software programs designed specifically for soil sampling and analysis. These tools can help you create detailed maps of your property, record sampling data, and even generate customized fertilizer recommendations based on your soil test results. Talk about taking the guesswork out of gardening. Reaping the rewards: how soil testing optimizes plant health and yield. So there you have it, folks. The down and dirty of soil testing. It's a crucial step that can make a world of difference in your gardening or farming journey. It might seem like an extra step, but trust me, the benefits far outweigh the effort. By understanding your soil's unique composition, you can tailor your approach to meet its specific needs. By investing in soil testing, you're investing in the long-term health and productivity of your garden or farm. This proactive measure ensures that your plants get the right nutrients at the right time. You'll gain a deeper understanding of your soil's needs, allowing you to make informed decisions about fertilization, irrigation, and soil amendments. This knowledge is power. This translates into healthier plants, higher yields, and reduced environmental impact. Your efforts will lead to a more sustainable and productive growing environment. You'll be using resources more efficiently, minimizing waste, and promoting sustainable growing practices. This not only benefits your plants, but also the planet. And let's be honest, who doesn't love the satisfaction of a bountiful harvest, knowing you've given your plants the best possible foundation for success? It's a rewarding experience. So go ahead, get your hands dirty, and unlock the secrets of your soil. Embrace the process and watch your garden or farm thrive like never before. Your plants will thank you for it. Happy growing.